It's like kind of behind this little wall there. There it is.
Oh, there it is. Oh, we're in the car wash in, where are we? Some car wash.
Niagara Falls, we're on Niagara Falls Boulevard. Look at that, is trippy.
That is pretty trippy.
That is fucking trippy. Ah, look at the back. Ah.
Oh my god, look at the back. What's happening? Yeah, it just kind of goes off there, doesn't it? Yep.
It's already changed a little bit since I was in that middle section that fell out. It's constantly wearing itself away.
And over there is the Horseshoe Falls.
Zoom all the way in, that's Toronto.